If you own DJI Action 5 or DJI Action 6, you need some accessory for your camera. And to be honest, I have my camera, my professional camera bag. That's where I'm able to carry all this accessory with me. And my DJI Action 6 literally need some carrying case. And there's this company called TELESIN. They were very generous to send me some stuff from their company, and today I'm gonna review it. This is my Action 6 right here. As you guys know, the Action 6 is very good camera, but you understand, even though it's very strong enough, it needs something to cover it, or something just to protect it basically. And I have my backpack that I normally carry with me everywhere I go. Give me a second, I can go find this. This is my professional backpack. And if you can see, this is where I put my camera inside. This is where my DJI Action 6 normally goes. But today, I'm gonna find something, and this is gonna help me out carry my camera now from now on. I'm gonna throw that away. First accessory we have here from TELESIN that they sent me is this right here. This is the first one they sent me. If you can look at this, and we can look it down here. I'm just gonna put it right there. You can see for Action 6 is this, literally this box. This is called Strict Shot Aluminum Set Plume Air. It's a lot of names. As we can see, that's how it looks. And I was able to basically put everything together. But if I can take this thing off, and just to show you how it looks. First of all, inside here, inside the handle, you got your grip, which is really nice. You know, I already put everything together, but if I can go on and put this inside for my DJI Action 6, you know, really nice. The grip is good, and you got the key inside. This is the key. It's a magnetic. You can basically go on and open this. Now, however you want to do it. It has a cold shoot inside here. I believe it's only one. You can also remove this and add, there's another cold shoot here. And this is where you put your cold shoot for your camera. The magnetic case is really nice because if you just throw it, it goes inside and pops. You can hear the noise. To be honest with you, this hands for this cold shoot, it's very handy. For those who like to shoot cameras, this basically becomes your finger grip, where you can just press the button here. If I press this, it's gonna start recording. And let's see, if you press this, your camera is gonna turn on right away. You can see it and start recording right away. So it's very handy. I would like to say this. If we go to your camera and change it to photo, this is how it looks. This is basically how you shoot photos. This becomes your fingertip. You can just press and take a photo. One by one, you go to the strict and you look at the camera. You take. I mean, it looks beautiful. I don't know how they came up with this idea, but this idea is really good. I would say it's good for the photo. The video, it's very sensitive. If you just press it, it's gonna take a photo right away. You know, so it's really nice. I like this because, you know, you can be able to take a photo and not worrying about the finger, where you want to include your finger in. And it also comes with the grip, with the handle, the handlebar. can basically put this in right here. It's really, really nice. Very, very sturdy. So this is how this one looks on your DJI Action 6 or Action 5. Now we can just go on. I'm gonna turn this off and see how it looks. So Action 5 and Action 6. This is how the name of this, it's called Strict Shot Aluminum Set Plume Air. This is how it looks. Really, really nice. The grip is good. It looks like the camera, you know. I love the grip. I wish if they will make it probably bigger a little bit, just a little bit, because for people who have a bigger hands, you know, this is 4-finger. I believe the reason why they did is because 2 fingers here, and then you can just basically press and go. If you press, this is gonna turn around. So it's really nice. So you can go on and remove it, and you can basically use it on the camera. And down here, you basically have now, if you have another SD card to put it on. To be honest, you TELESIN, you don't really need to put another SD card holder, because this DJI Action 6 comes out with bigger storage, and the Action 6 doesn't really need another storage for SD card. I mean, who knows? Some people shoot 8K and they probably have a small thing. So this is one of TELESIN, one of the product that I got from them. I also got multiple of this equipment here. I don't know if this thing is gonna turn, so yeah. Oh, this is nice. This is TELESIN sending me all this equipment. So we're just gonna check everything out and look and see how it goes. That's one.